guys, and welcome back to the channel. For the ones that don't know, my name is Bella, and if you are new or haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it helps get this channel out there. By the title of this video, yes, we are installing my aftermarket seats that I got from my sponsor, D&D Performance Interior. And if you guys are watching this, thank you so much for the seats. Dude, I have been waiting to install these freaking seats. It's just mostly because I couldn't find like a seat bracket that I was content with. And then perfect timing, Z1 Motorsports came out with a seat bracket about like 2.5 weeks ago today. So I was like, weird timing, but it also was an early Christmas gift from the man. And I know he's watching this, so thank you. I got one of the seats. I live on the second floor of a complex, so I'm having to do it this way. And I'm also kind of nervous because I have to get it like a flight of stairs, so I don't know. But cool setup. Alright, so this is what we're working with. Look how bad the seat is, dude. On the passenger side, it's worse. Like the whole flap here is like fucking coming undone. I'm gonna do some inspecting and kind of see because little BTW, this is my first time taking the seats apart in the G. I am alone for now until later, but yeah, let me figure out where the bolts are at. All right, so I took the carpet out and I clearly need to vacuum. And then looks like we said there's one here. There's also gonna be one on the other side. I also don't want you guys to think I'm a sucia, like a cochina, because the previous owner, he had like so many bottle caps that I continue to find. So yours might have these little covers on them, but it should just automatically go off. There's one bolt here, one here. I'm assuming there's gonna be some in the back too. So yeah, let's get to it. It's gonna be a 14 for those two bolts in the front, and I'm assuming for majority of them, but you know, could change up. So yep, perfect fit. Oh shit, hold on. Dude, this thing took forever just to take out, and obviously it's because these seats have never been taken out, but holy crap. Just in case, use a breaker bar. This is part of the jack if you've never used that before. And these are also gonna come off. Not gonna lie, that freaking hurt my back, but I got the rear bolts. Super weird, but I had to use like a couple extensions to get in there and finagle it, because obviously if you put a breaker bar like directly through here, the wiggle room back here is just not freaking possible. But holy shit, I should be able to. There we go. And I was wondering what all that stuff was on the freaking tools, and somehow I cut myself. Car things. Harness is going to have to come off of the seat. There is a couple clips. This one came from this little clip here, and then I believe this one's gonna come from this one, and then the little white one came from one from up here. So that's hella annoying. I was not expecting that, but okay, let's get this thing out. Alright, so I'm gonna have to clean that spot. Like, it was a lot worse, so I'm gonna have to get some carpet cleaner. But I vacuumed that harness. I'm just gonna kind of leave under the seat, but I just want to mount it up and kind of see what it looks like. Show you guys a little bit closer. Z1 brackets on. Get a little bit closer. It looks so good. Okay, so this is what it is, and it's like at the highest setting, and I placed it kind of like where it would bolt up. But dude, I'm nervous. I feel like it's still gonna be too short. Fuck. So on this side it did align, but on that side, look how far it's missing. Like, I'll put it back to where I had it. Hold on. Holy shit. Okay, so there it is aligned on this side, right? Look, it misses entirely, dude. Like, what the heck? And this is supposed to be for a 350Z G35, so I'm confused. I'm assuming that's why they have the spacers, so that you can add it and the bracket continues to stick out. So let's add a few spacers, but just by installing it without, that's what it looks like. Here's some of the spacers that they gave us. They got us some thick ones, and then they also gave us some more hardware. So I'm gonna add a spacer and then kind of see where that aligns. But just from sitting, it's too short. I'm just too tiny. The steering wheel goes above my head, dude. So I'm gonna have to definitely get a cushion, because I think just a little bit up and then I think I'll be fine. But why am I so small? Where the seats aligned, this is not going to engage at all.
Tiny, you know what I'm saying? You look so small.
Stop!
Bro. Oh, damn, look how much space is in here. Bruh. What the heck? It looks so... Alright, get out. Let's fix it.
So I'm going to, I guess, temporarily run the seat kind of weird, because I obviously don't reach the pedals. So I guess we're going to end up having to... it's kind of annoying, but...
Get some fab.
Yeah, do fabrication work on the brackets so that I can properly fit in here. Okay, so I had to come to the apartment to get literally 2 pillows just so that I could drive the car and park it and just drive it temporarily to take it to work for the rest of the week, and then just kind of figure out where we're going to take it to get it fabricated. Just for reference, putting this out there, I'm like 5 feet tall, so if you're not 5 feet tall, I think you should be more than okay. We had to like put double spacers on each side in order for it to get mounted on the floor. And now the only issue we're just struggling is me actually being able to reach the pedals and to see over the steering wheel. So temporary solution is going to be the pillows. I went to go pick up some harnesses for the car, because this man is currently using the ones that I got from Street Aerial, which I guess are now going to be his. So we're driving an hour away just to go pick up some seat brackets, or like slider and seat brackets, because obviously the ones that I used didn't work. Okay, so here are the brackets that we ended up getting. So obviously the difference on this side was it's just the side mount. We literally didn't get no sliders. But this one has a slider, and then it also has like the side mount. It's a little bit taller. It has like an extra little slider, and then it has technically kind of like a base. So let's hope this works.
I'm going to go ahead and help out Bella with taking out her passenger side. I don't know if she updated you or not, but with the brackets that we just bought, you have to, I need them to be cracked loose, and we're going to flip the brackets because the way that they are set up, it's more for like someone that's tall, that's me, because the person that we got it off is also over 6 foot. Yeah, that's what she's doing. In the meanwhile, I don't know if it's going to annoy her or not, but I'm just going to go ahead and take out the passenger side. I know she doesn't like having too much help because the internet goes crazy. If she gets any type of help, people are like, oh, you're not a real car girl, you don't work on your stuff. So yeah, we all need help sometimes. Even I got a ton of help from Jackson and Aaron. So yeah, just trying to help. Oh, don't forget your Tylenol, because this is a pain in the ass, giving me headaches. Hey, currently failing at helping you right here. What do you, I'm just trying to help. Oh, let me get that key right there. Let's pop a zip tie. All right, so car looks a lot cleaner now. Doesn't look so busted. Like I kept telling her was that you can't have a messed up shift boot and torn up seats, because, oh yeah, look, they're right here. I already threw out the other one like a long time ago, but these things were jacked up.
So we finally got the seats in. My back hurts. I know his back probably hurts. He's like over there doing his thing.
Does not hurt.
They look so good. It looks super clean. So the harness, let me show you guys. The harness that I did get, it was only one pair, like one set. So so I probably have to go get the other one because I want obviously both harnesses, but dude, this looks so good. All right, let me show you the other harnesses. So these are the only color that they had was the red, but for the next color for the car that I'm doing, I think it's gonna match perfectly with the color combo, so we have that. And this is what the seats look like. Dude, it looks so good. It looks so clean. I just finished cleaning the mats. If you guys are interested, I'll also link these mats down in the description box, but damn, it looks so clean. So in the meantime, I guess this is how I'm gonna be running the seat with the two pillows. I'm just gonna have to buy like some cushions meant for like the seats, and then I think we should be good. But I also will say, so I don't think these seats like are meant for like G35s, just mostly because on that wide side, it hits the console a little bit too much, and then when you close the door, it like makes contact with the seat on this side. So it's nothing too crazy, but yeah, just a little FYI for anyone who's trying to get these seats. Overall, I will say the quality of them is really cool. You can change like the stitching. You do have like different color options to get the seats in different stitching. They also do have like reclinable seats, and then they do have some with like a carbon fiber back, but unfortunately when I got the seats, the regular version was just available. But overall, I like them. There's a little bit of what I was saying, it kind of like hits the console a little bit too much, but overall I did have to put like a spacer here, and this is the wide seat. I did put like one of the smaller spacers on this side. Same thing with the other side when it comes to the spacers, but honestly I think for the passenger who does sit here should be comfortable. It's a little bit back compared to the driver's side, but overall let me show you guys what it would look like from the outside. So like he's not able to fit in it, and he's like 6'6". He like fits very like you can tell that he's uncomfortable, but overall pretty cool. That's gonna be the end of this video. It was kind of like all over the place. I was stressing because I really thought we were gonna have to fabricate the seats, but at this point it just looks like I'm gonna have to use like just cushions like I said earlier. But I'm super excited that the interior is finally done. The harness bar I will be ordering sometime this week, and then that way we can kind of get the harnesses in there and then kind of actually finish it. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about the seats, the install, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you guys think of the seats, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.